Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you a tour of the Morant Bay Urban Center. Now this development is to finish by November of this year. Now back in June, we did a video asking you guys if you think it would finish by November. But now that we're making this follow-up video, I'm really impressed with how much work has been done. I think they will finish in November. We're in what now? August, September, October, November. 3.5 months till the end of November. And I'm really impressed with how fast the work is moving. So guys, look at the video and let us know what you think. If you think this facility will be finished by the end of November. And of course, it's a foreign contractor because local contractors wouldn't move this fast. This is China Harbour Engineering Company. And if you thought China Harbour could build roads, man, these buildings are going up so quickly. That white building you're looking at straight ahead that structure was there before, but they took off the roof. Looks like they're going to replace the roof. That white building with no roof on it, that's going to be a call center. And then coming into view now on the right is the commercial section where people can rent stores, lease stores, and they're all booked out. At the back is the industrial part where you have Hart, NTA, and other manufacturing facilities back there. And they've actually, the building all the way to the right now, they've actually put the roof on. I'm really impressed with how fast they're moving. So that building straight ahead now, that's also the commercial section where you rent space. And it's going to have, that's where the Hilo supermarket is going to be. This facility is fully booked out. And it's doing so well that the government is building 4 more of these urban centers around Jamaica. Okay, all the way at the back, that is going to be the courthouse. No, not the courthouse, the tax office. And the building to the left, the tax office and other government agencies like PICO. The building to the right is going to be the courthouse. And then those 2 buildings that we're flying over now are going to be fast food restaurants. One will be a Juicy Patties, one will be a Burger King. There's also going to be a KFC, but it's at the other end. Because, anywhere you have KFC, you have to have space for the drive-through. So that one on the right is the courthouse. And I don't know if you guys know what the old courthouse looks like. It's very historic, but it's seriously damaged, doesn't have a roof. But it's a historic building, but it definitely could not manage as a courthouse today. So it's good that they're building new buildings. Guys, leave your comments in the section below if you think this facility will be ready by November. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and leave your comments. Alright guys, have a good day.